I don't know. I just saw
I'm
you
not a
cracking.
dancer. I'm not a dancer.
But you
I
are
just no. I don't even have big bums, bruh. See, have sex with me, and then you're gonna get this. The guy who just once said to my friend in genuine.
It's hard to say no,
No, it's not hard. I said no to. Yo.
to myself. No, I'm not justifying myself. But
So you better go. When?
I could say he's a 10, but he's a mama's boy.
Wait.
Tamaku Betunana, and welcome back to another episode of Utopia Unplugged podcast. I am your host with the most, Mlibo. And yeah, man, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, so today we have the hottest unknown, aka LadyJohns.
LadyJohns, yes.
Yeah, so man, what's up, man?
Yeah, I'm Liba. This is me. I am here. I hope you won't roast me with your questions. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I am known as LadyJohns, but my real name and surname is Nontle.
So it's fun, because we've been inviting you to come to the podcast.
Yeah.
And go usikelezisa. So what was the problem, bro?
I have a busy schedule, bruh. School rehearsals, it's a lot. As a student, you should know. Yes, it's just that how eating and keep up is besides school.
Because people are scared to come to the podcast because
Well, Pelanami, I don't know what to expect. But okay. Yeah.
You like it hard or soft?
Just be normal.
I'm gonna be soft, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna be soft. So, for people who don't know, like camera, Nancy Mike, in case there's a guy who's watching the podcast and he's like, who the fuck is this? So they tell back like about and
Okay, this is Nontle again, Biyela, but mostly known as LadyJohns. I grew up known as Nontle Jones. I recently changed my surname to Biyela from Johns. I'm from Pietermaritzburg, PMB, Mcebisi, but then I'm currently residing in Durban because I'm studying. I'm doing drama and production. I'm a model. I'm everything artistic, basically. Yeah.
If you don't mind, can I ask why did you change your surname?
My surname.
Jones to
Isn't Zulu, bruh. My dad didn't pay. He passed away before he could do stuff, damages and all of that. Yeah.
But you've been using. Okay, maybe you won't have the right answers because it's 7
Yeah.
But from what I know, if let's say umntana wentombi, you're not gonna use surname yaklo tatango. You're gonna use surname yaklo mama because umntana wentombi. I don't know
what's my
went
story.
down.
Yeah. No, Johns is my dad's surname, and Biyela is my mother's surname. Yeah. With isiZulu, they say a child needs to call isibongo sababa if the dad paid Njabulo, and my dad did not do that. Yeah, but my mom was young at that time. She had me when she was like 16. So in my own, that's normal, guys. Teenage pregnancy. In my own perspective, I have that. She was young. She didn't really know what. And my dad would have been the impact. I don't know, because my daddy was older, so he had more impact. Yeah, but he called the shots. So most probably my mom listened to my dad. I don't know, but it's fine now because everything is proper. Yeah.
like umsebenzi esizulu menzile.
It's gonna happen eventually. Yeah.
So I know that you are a dancer because I saw you twerking.
Not really. I'm not really a dancer.
No, I saw your videos, like the videos are with story on Instagram. And
I think I was an MC at that time. When I was MC.
I don't know. I just saw
I'm
you
not a
twerking.
dancer. I'm not a dancer.
But you are
I
a
just
twerker.
no. I don't even have big bumps, bruh. So
I want us to talk about the nightlife now, from one Groovist to another Groovist. You are a Groovist now.
not anymore.
Okay, but you're familiar with it.
Yeah, I'm familiar. Yeah.
So since you were EMC with event now, I think I saw Ocon Maxi and the celebs. What's going down, bro? Like when you guys are on the road. No, because
Yeah.
there are some kids who are watching like the pod go, and they see you guys posting on Instagram, and they are like, no, I want to be like Nontle,
yeah.
but they don't know about Ntoni on the road.
Okay.
With second locations, if there are any.
So, okay, so, guys will be guys there. Besides the fact that by an artist or whatever, they're gonna try shoot some shots, whatever. But then it's gonna be up to you as a girl. Do you want to do that or you don't want to do that? For instance, I was an MC. We event Delihlazo duty. I had people, I'm an artist, I won't mention who.
But you can.
No, I won't.
No,
I won't. I had them asking, would say, okay, where you going after this? Wada, 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 wada. And at the back of my mind, I'm like, I'm not going with you guys. Even though straight up, because I'm not like that. I'm naturally just, a calm woman. Yeah, hey, we're gonna see what. But then I knew very well I'm going back to my place, and I went back to my place. And at that time I had a man, so I respected him. Yeah.
So you had a man, but the story for another day.
Yeah.
So did you get like any gig after that one?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did in PMB.
Because I'm asking you because I have a friend in it. So she was like, what only gig, I'm not gonna mention the name of the artist. Or let me just mention to mention. So began a gig, what only gig once. Then she was invited to go with second location.
Okay. The thing is, Mina, I was not hired by an artist. I was hired by Umuntu who hired an artist. So with I'm an artist I give a second location, and they were not abantu on cocaine. So that was a different story. I don't know. But that's weird. I don't know. I haven't been too invested into lento nights emceeing whatever. So I haven't had much, knowledge whatever.
Yeah, but you are totally gig Uzalo, and we know about that gig as well.
Oh yeah, I did get a gig, not once, 2 times. I got my first gig in 2020 or 2021. Yeah, it was a feature. I was a model. It was like a competition, something like that. Then my second one, it was last year. I was just shopping J Bandla. It was something short. It was nothing hectic. Yeah.
So since you have like at least the idea of what's going on in the acting industry, I think I feel like industry has become clean because like back then abantu babethola i-gigs only because bahle or if like they kumele balale
Yeah.
but now I think it's clean because it's strictly like a qualification and okay I was an exception because
Hey, well, I'm still a student, ne? Still studying. I'm looking for an agency as a mailer. So, since in studisha, my main thingy, my main focus right now is finishing my diploma. So, I haven't been too exposed to that side yet. But then I've had people telling ukuthi ngokunye director bake bashele barawara take chances, you do this in order to get this. That's normal even outside of the industry nje even gohulumeni tenders, yeah, that I'm sure ukuthi into enormal eyenzakala.
but do you know anyone like
Owake waba.
yeah give us something you must know someone again.
It was not really Uguti have sex with me and then you're gonna get this. The guy just wanted my friend genuinely. Like he had nothing to offer. Yeah, it was just a genuine shela kind of situation. Yeah.
And it's hard to say, let's say you are still upcoming and a celeb or whoever, someone who's well established, I think they go out now. It's hard to say no because
No, it's not hard. I said no to. Yo. It's not hard. Trust me, it's not. Especially if you know your worth now.
yeah.
Yes, it's not hard. I did that just yesterday.
Oh.
Yes.
So what are we like? Are we single, dating?
Hey. Hey, situationship. Yeah. I don't know. I'm single.
Are you sure or not?
It's situationship.
Maybe he's watching and he's like, pick up and go back.
I'm piggy. It's a situationship because we haven't labeled whatever we're doing, but I like him. Yeah.
So I don't know. It's funny the way we met now. So we are figuring this, and I asked for your numbers.
Okay. Yeah.
So I asked for your numbers, and I didn't text you like for some time. Then one day I was bored. You know, when you're bored, you just scroll on your WhatsApp, and I saw your picture, your profile picture. I was like, let me text it. So I was like, can we have a coffee date? At Kopi. I was like at my house.
Yes.
Why? But I'm just a guy,
Ufuna sozoba ne coffee date eresi.
I'm trying, a date is a date.
Eromini yakho.
It's still a date. You can't afford like it's for no country bake.
You can afford. We afford join us first.
But it was cold and
you wanted shoes of warm, I mean. Keep you warm.
No, you can't.
So Madron said you were gonna make coffee for me.
Yeah.
A dress. Let's say the coffee.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Netflix and chill. But what
Netflix chill. Wasn't that way? But you were joking, right?
No, I was being serious.
I go coffee date rest at the
So, okay, my point is, okay, of course I was joking.
Yeah.
But my point is, would you date like a guy who can't afford like a date. Let's say, I don't want to use the word poor because I feel like the word poor is overused. Yeah, I can be poor, but if I'm trying, I'm sure, like example, like donate once a month.
Yeah.
Would you date like a guy like that?
A student.
Yeah, a student.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think you the first one, a man was again as a date student.
I'd say they wouldn't date a student.
No, that they would.
They
date a
would.
student.
Oh, yeah, I would. I would date a student. My feelings are feelings, bruh. For me, feelings are feelings. And my feelings are me personally. Our our enhancer isn't as materialistic, definitely not. As much as, yes, I've had guys with money approach me and I liked them, irregardless of what they have this and that. I just liked them for who they are. But then ukuthi banemali was just a bonus, and I've been spoiled really. Yes, who doesn't like that? And I've been in love with a student before. It just didn't work out because he was young and stupid. But then I was really willing to be with him. Yeah, I was willing. I really was. But then,
so now you've been spoiled,
yeah.
How do you come back from Lord, from being spoiled
to
someone who's on tell about ish? Please understand me. It must be a hardship.
Being spoiled, like angiqalanga ngaspoilwa kafana. Ukuba spoiled ngiqala ekhaya.
Yeah.
So angeke ngihlanyiswe manje ukuthi the guy bought me flowers, the guy gave me 4K, the guy imali ngiyayazi mina ngiyiqala ngabafana imali. So if kuzomela ngithathe shift ukuthi okay, I was with a rich guy, now a student, vele it was my decision to take it vele from the very first go. It's okay, now I want a student. So I don't think it would be that hard to get a low shift because vele it was my decision. I knew vele taking the decision was okay. So I already had structured everything in mind. It's okay. These are the obstacles. So, Jay, yeah.
So, like, what was the biggest amount of your because like usually what we do if it's an interview and I'm charged, I post and ask people about okay, so interview so nothing happens funa so what was the biggest amount of what you told from Umfana?
It was not money, but I went shopping and I spent like 8K.
That's
yeah, it is reasonable.
Yeah
8K. Yeah, it was.
Why you can't?
Nami nganganakile nganginikwe card, so nje ngangilebe ngishop and ngangideserve.
Oh, you deserve.
Yeah, nje hayibo.
You can't say you deserve. You must
deserve because something happened before that. But it was not 10. It was not 8K. It was like 9. Biyela goma 10. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I want us to also talk about your modeling. I understand that congratulations are in order because Sando, Mrs DUT.
Yeah, second runner up, yes.
Second runner up.
Yes.
I don't know if we had land. So it's shy because it's something big. Was it your first time to win here? Is it a pageant?
Pageants.
Yeah.
No, I've been modeling. Yeah, I've been modeling.
But was it your first time to win a trophy?
Yeah, you can no since go is second runner up. Okay, I appreciated it way too much because the DUT is a very big institution. So it's big. I left a mark because Nzopuma DUT and my name is gonna be somewhere. But then I've gotten positions that are, our first place basically. So it's big in a way in terms of Langi corner right now, DUT, whatever. But I've gotten more before.
How's the feeling, bro, like to win something? Because now I'm not gonna win for someone like Omaga winning, that is as big as by second runner up at DUT University in Kulganga, because DUT is, I think, the top 7 Mabaso in South Africa.
Yeah.
So to be a second runner up, we DUT is something big.
Yeah, it is.
So like, how's the feeling to win something so big?
Of course, really, I wanted first place, to be honest, because obviously umuntu aims high.
Yeah.
But then it happened, yeah, and I was happy, and feedback. I think it's a feedback I got from people. Appreciate it and see the actual value of this title. Now you are adding actually. So yeah.
Now I did send a text.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, it's those kind of feedbacks that I received from Abantu. DUT is big, and there were actually a lot of girls there, and many of them would have wanted the position in Gitoli. So it's just something I needed to appreciate. Yeah, I was happy. Yeah.
When did you start modeling?
Yeah, I've been
from what age?
From when? I think I was in grade 8. That's like 2016. Yeah, I was still slim. I've gained weight now, and I was actually fat last year. But then and I lost some because I wanted to proceed with my modeling thing, and I still need to lose some weight. Yeah. Yeah, I started in 2016. Yeah.
Wait, I think 8, 2016?
No, I was not 8.
Oh, grade 9.
Grade 8. I think I was in grade 8. Yeah, somewhere there.
So we're gonna play a game now. I understand about Ngamile.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, Russian.
No, it's okay.
I want us to play a game, and it's called he's a 10, but what I said, like he's a 10, he ticks all the boxes. Then I'm gonna mention something negative. He's a 10, but and when it's on time, okay, on duty.
I hope you get because
No, I'm not gonna mention names. I'll just mention a small scenario. Like, okay, can we? Alright, let's start. So let's say a nigga is a 10, he ticks all the boxes, but he's got a small dick. Would you date him? If not, why not?
It happens. It happens that umuntu abe small.
Oh no, feel free. It's a safe space.
It happens with umuntu abe small dick, but
guys, I hope you're listening.
Kube ukuthi uyakwazi ukulisebenzisa. Intilele lapho, I believe so. Ukuthi you can have a small nyana thing, but know how to move it.
It's tricky as well, because I have a different view now about not that I'm justifying myself. No, I'm not justifying myself. But
so you better when
I could laugh.
Okay.
So, okay, no, but so it's okay. So it has a narrative within there. Then another one is, what if he's a 10? He ticks all the boxes, but uhlala kibo. Would you date that guy?
For as long as he's gonna be able to work for us, then that's fine. He's probably staying at home because financial issues or something he's dealing with or whatever. But then for as long as there's in the space for us somewhere somehow, not unless he's not gonna be able.
Oh yeah, I wanted to ask this one. What if he's a 10, but he's a mama's boy?
Wait. I wouldn't.
Not like a mama's boy like Okwanda here. Like that mama's boy, because we love our mothers, they're like the first love say to mama bitch. You can't expect a guy to choose you over his mom.
Why?
What do you mean why? Because girls come and go, bro.
No. Okay, girls come and go. But then what if we are in an arrangement of umshad, of getting married?
But now you have to understand, but umama wakhe will always be the first priority.
No, how?
Like in a case of, let's say, you guys have to cross a umfula or whatever. Umfula, like a river.
Yes.
Then there's only one boat, and you're nela umdu one or two, yena and the other person. I'm not gonna choose you over my mom.
Okay, wait. I think it's different with girlfriend and boyfriend kind of situations.
Even if married.
With marriage, I need to be your first priority. Even if even if we make kids, your wife should come first, not the kids. Why? Wait, let me explain. Because in Ghana, let's say we make a boy. A boy will grow and then they're gonna fall in love with that girl. Abone wife most probably. And he's gonna start his own family. So why must I come first? Your woman must come first. And if you chose that woman,
okay.
Why else if you recruit somewhere and then you put me second? When I was first at home.
When would you choose me over your father?
Would I choose you over my father?
Let's say we're married. Would you choose me over your dad?
Yes. My dad has left. Ubaba muphilile, ubaba no wife, and he did everything in Mhlabeni. Now it's my time. It's time to make my own decisions. I have a man. I have a man. I chose to get married to him. Yes, I would choose my man over my dad.
It's
not necessarily that. Marriage is something else, bro.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
Yes.
So, I don't know how informed you are, like, is it like that's happening around you? So, usually, like here on the pod, we usually have like this conversation, open conversations, and we react on recent affairs. So, what's on your mind? Please, who's about like what's on your mind? When I'm asking you, do you have anything like on your mind?
In terms of like
what's happening? Since you knew like since last week, also a podcast. You don't like in the podcast
expectations. I was like, I did not think deep about it because the minutes I think into too deep, get flop. So I just go with the flow. Whatever happens, happens. So, I didn't really have anything in mind. I was actually expecting these kind of questions,
Nontle, no man, thanks for coming.
Thank you a lot for inviting me.
How was it? the podcast?
It was nice, relaxed. It was nice. I actually enjoyed it.
You didn't feel like ambushed, ne?
Not at all.
So, what can you say to the other slave queens abangafuni ukuzala who are afraid? Not that you are.
I'm not a slave queen.
But what can you say to the slave queens who are afraid to come to the podcast?
The fact that you are able to reach out to them means they are normal people. So abayeke ukuzenza ama-slave queen beze ku-show. It's really nothing hectic. It's nice actually.
Yeah,
So my slave queens, ke, please go through, ladies.
yeah, they should come. So there's this text. I saw it on. I can't recall if like Twitter or Facebook, but I saw it somewhere. So it reads as. Please bear with me. It's a bit long. It reads as follows. Nobody actually talks about how temporal this love thing is nowadays. 1 minute you guys are watching movies, listening to music together, going out, making love, making war, making peace, making promises, long calls, long walks, long hugs, deep conversations, deep kisses, to not actually talking at all. Think about this. 1 moment you are planning your entire future with someone, next minute you become strangers. You don't even text each other anymore. It's hectic, bro.
Yeah.
So when I saw this text, I was like, yeah, unzim. So what do you think about it?
Hey, the society has really labeled love to be, not okay. Some people, Jay, they feel like loving a person is not okay, which is wrong. Why can't we just fall in love peacefully? Guys, love.
Yeah.
Guys, fall in love, please.
Yeah, love is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but at least we still have people out there who still believe like Utando. And I'm not one of them. But
You don't
it's
believe?
cool.
You are too young not to believe in love.
Way
Too young. Way too young.
But what can you say, bro? Like, about siyahethwa.
This text is very nice.
Ne? I'll send it to you.
Please.
So yeah, man. Like, before you go, if there's someone looking up to you, in doing like just 2 words or the word of the day, you can give us the word of the day. If there's someone looking up to you,
Keep going.
yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Ne?
Yeah.
Make sure to follow Nontle on
LadyJohns.
Instagram, LadyJohns.
Yes, JOHNS.
Twitter.
I don't have Twitter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah, LadyJohns.
Utopia Unplugged podcast, we out. Hey, we had another ghost man